Okay, so first we have to install the Citrix licensing. So this is our first thing to install when we want to deploy a new Citrix farm. Uh, you need to download the licensing software and just simply install it. Yes. Of course, you need also Citrix license. So before you start, you should have a Citrix license. I cannot tell you how to obtain that because it can be done through various, it can be obtained through various options. Okay, so we allow the application to change the firewall and it will open those ports because those are used for the communication. I do not want to any customer service manual because this is a lab, this is not productive. You will wait for the install. Okay, it's done. I do not want to launch. None of the above. Finish. Okay, so it's installed. Now it needs an admin account. Global admin. Okay, don't show this again. And we need to upload the license file. You need to wait a little bit. So, okay, so it finished loading. Install licenses, use download file. I already have the download file saved on my C drive. Temp. This is it. Open. Now import. Very important when you request your license file, you should always check if the host name is written with capital letter or small letters. The licensing file is case sensitive, so if you request a license file with small letters, it will not work. So you have first to check your how your licensing server is named, and then request the file. Okay, file uploaded. Going back to dashboard, and here it is. It's a evaluation license, but it is uploaded. Okay, this was it. Thank you.